Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all feeling safe and well. So today's video is going to be a Chanel bag unboxing that I purchased a few days ago from the Flinders Lane boutique. Now I purchased this bag a few days after finding out about the Chanel price increase. Now I call this the Chanel pandemic because the Chanel price increase this time around is astronomical. It is huge. So currently as it stands today, today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, and then on Thursday is when Chanel Australia will implement their new price increase. And I've heard it's anywhere between 17 to 20%, but honestly, I think it could be a lot more than that because today I heard that Chanel Europe has already implemented their price increase, and we've seen that Chanel mini flaps have increased by 27%. Chanel classic flaps in Europe have increased by 20%. That is huge. I mean, last week we were reeling from the fact that Louis Vuitton had increased their prices by 4 to 5%, and we had just recovered from that a few days, and then Chanel whacked us with a massive price increase. It was a lot of gossip and we're like, how could it be 17%? And then now today we heard it's 27% in Europe, and I thought it was like really bad timing, but a lot of companies and corporations have increased their prices. Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Tiffany, Van Cleef & Arpels just happened today, and now Chanel on Thursday. A lot of people have been panic buying, and I feel for those of you who have been saving up for so long, for years and years and years, and have been like, you know what, this is the year that, you know, I've saved just enough for a Chanel bag and I want the boutique experience and I want to purchase it right after lockdown, or wanting to purchase it this year in 2020 for either an anniversary, a birthday, or for Christmas. And now it is more further from reach than ever before. I just feel for you guys because it's really heartbreaking because, you know, as a bag lover, Chanel bags are like the girl's dream. Chanel comes out with amazing creations. When you grow up, you just want to own a Chanel bag. I especially feel for those of you who have just sold your Chanel bag and that one really hurts and you could have held on to it and sold it for a lot more. For those of you who are new, my name is Kim. Hello. I love to make videos on luxury bags, jewelry, fashion. If you enjoy luxury content, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. This bag I have purchased pre-loved once before, and because I saw so much wear and tear in it, I thought to myself, this is the type of bag that I cannot purchase pre-loved unless it is brand new. So I thought to myself, this bag has always been on my wish list and that I would love to purchase it from the boutique, and I'm actually surprised that they had this combo in the boutique, and I thought it was like perfect timing. I don't know how much this one will go up in price. As soon as I heard about the price increase, I'm like, what is on my wish list? So I contacted my sales associate. He said that yes, he has got this bag, this particular combo, this size in stock. And I was like, oh, really? Because I have been to the Chanel Chapter boutique a few times and they didn't have this bag in stock, not this combo. So they probably just gotten stock in, and I was really lucky to choose between one out of two. I think they had probably a few more. So it's going to be a true unboxing. I haven't opened it since I purchased it last week. I think I purchased it on Thursday or Friday last week. I don't even know what day it is now. If you're wondering, yes, I do have a Cartier ribbon around my neck. I just think it's really pretty and I love ribbons, and it just adds that little extra something to my outfit. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. So it comes in this gorgeous shopper bag with the camellia at the front, Chanel, and you've got the ribbon right here. I'll just undo the ribbon. So on top here, I have my receipt. So that's my receipt, and then this is the box right here, and there's nothing left in the shopper bag. Oh my gosh, I just love a Chanel boutique purchase, and the very last bag that I purchased directly from boutique was from the Chanel Chapter boutique, where I purchased my Chanel vanity. And oh, I was so lucky with that bag because they got two in stock and I chose one out of two as well. So this one came from the Flinders Lane boutique, and it comes with this gorgeous magnetic box as well. So I'm just undo the ribbon. Gorgeous ribbon. And then I'll open up the box. Oh. Okay, so I've taken the Chanel sticker off. And then you've got the Chanel care booklet. Oh, it's wrapped up beautifully. It comes with the Chanel dust bag. And then you've got the tissue paper. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. And then you've got some tissue paper in here as well, which I'll just take off. Don't you just love that rustling sound of the tissue paper? All right, so I'll just take this out. And then we've got nothing left in the box. You probably know what it is. All right, revealing to you. Ta-da! I have the Chanel Trendy CC in the size small, and this one is in the black lambskin with a champagne gold hardware. Oh my gosh, this bag is stunning. I'm just so in love with it. So I'll just take out the felt protector. So in here we've got the felt protector, and then we've also got another thicker sort of felt protector here. And in here also we've got the 3 compartments with some tissue paper inside. I'll just take all the tissue paper out. So I'll quickly go over the specs of this bag. This one is the Chanel Small Trendy CC. It's got the diamond quilting, black lambskin with champagne gold hardware. Great for those of you who love to mix metals, rose gold, yellow gold or white gold. It is absolutely stunning, really glistens. It's got the stickers still on all of the hardware. This one is in the black lambskin, and the lambskin on this Trendy CC is really thick and luscious and firm. I love it. If you have not tried a Chanel lambskin bag, I highly recommend it because you're paying for luxury, and Chanel lambskin is beyond luxurious. One of the key features that I absolutely love about the Chanel Trendy CC is this part right here. You've got the bar here which says Chanel. Absolutely stunning, absolutely love it. And then you've got the top handle here, and you've also got the shoulder strap, chain shoulder strap, and then in the top here you've got the leather break in it, which is comfortable on the shoulder. So you can wear this one crook of the arm, crossbody, on the shoulder. And then this here has the 3 gusset sides, which reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. So this one is like Chanel's version of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. 3 gusset sides, 3 compartments. On the back here you've got the slip pocket at the back, which comes in handy. And then you've got the CC turn lock. Open it up. Underneath the flap here, you've got the CC logo stitched on top here. It's got the 3 compartments. In the first compartment, you've got 2 slip pockets here, middle compartment, and then you've got a back compartment, which also has a zippered compartment at the back. And in here, you've got the authenticity card, which reads that it is a 29 series bag. This one here says Chanel made in Italy. Out of the 2 that I chose, both were made in Italy, so I think it's quite rare to find a Chanel Trendy CC that's made in France. Then in here you've got the chain shoulder strap, which has the round disc stoppers. So this one cannot be removed as compared to my Chanel denim Trendy CC. This one has a T-bar toggle stoppers. The difference with this year's Trendy CC is that the inside is all black, whereas the one that I had previously had the burgundy interior lining, which I preferred because I like a classic so you can see what's inside. So it's sort of like a so black sort of bag, so you can wear it like that, pull the chain out, wear it on the shoulder, or if you don't use a chain you can tuck it in like that. Let's have a look at the receipt. So the Chanel Small Trendy CC came in at 7,820 Australian dollars. I remember when the Trendy CC first came out, the small size was about 5,650, and it has increased by a lot, hasn't it? It's increased by about 2,200 and something dollars, and it will increase, could be 17 or 20%, who knows. But I'd love to know your thoughts on the Chanel Trendy CC. What are your thoughts on this? I love the small size the most. I think it's still a pretty good price for a Chanel classic. Now I have 2 Trendy CCs, stunning. That's enough. Will I purchase any more Chanel bags in the future from the boutique? I probably will purchase some seasonal pieces, but when it comes to classics, I think I'm going to go pre-loved with it. You know what? A lot of people are quite scared with lambskin, but to me, I love Chanel lambskin. It's the epitome of luxury. It's so luxurious, so buttery. I just love the glistening, like the shiny puffy quilts. It just looks stunning. My very first ever Chanel lambskin bag was this one right here, which I've been currently using. And this one is the Chanel rectangular mini flap, black lambskin with true gold hardware. So it's got the classic gold hardware on it. This was a great starter piece for me to try lambskin because it's not so big. It's just gorgeous. This is like one of my favorite Chanel bags. It's held up pretty well, and every time I use it, I just run my hands through the lambskin. It's just such a beautiful bag to use, such a joy to use. And it's so luxurious. I love Chanel lambskin. It's don't be scared of it because it's incredible and it looks beautiful, looks luxurious, feels luxurious, worth every penny. Who cares if it scratches? It's a bag. That's it for today's video on my Chanel small Trendy CC. Would love to know your thoughts on this bag, and I'd also love to know your thoughts on the Chanel price increase. What are you going to do from here on out? Are you going to still purchase through the boutique, or are you going to consider other options such as buying pre-loved? Unless Chanel has a really nice seasonal piece that is in the boutique that's, you know, at a pretty good price range, I'll consider it. However, now I'm just really happy to shop my closet and appreciate what I have in my collection at the moment. Yeah, so that's all for today's video. If you haven't done so already and you did enjoy this video, please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Give this video a like, and thank you all so much for watching. Please take care until next time. I will see you in my next video. Bye.